the world's most advanced cold wallet for the new generation of cryptocurrency lovers.
So if you are interested in buying this decent wallet, you can find a link in the description down below where you will get a 20% discount. Thank you very much, and let's dig in the video. We have some nice stuff to talk about here. So you can see here network of networks, QNT, XRP. And we're just getting started. We are also working on a fresh approach where central banks will be able to join a network of CBDC ledgers that enables full settlement interoperability while allowing each member to retain their monetary and technological independence. We believe this will be a game changer for central banks and are excited to release more details on how it works very soon. Very interesting, guys. So this is exactly what we have been talking about, that even if Ripple ceases to exist, XRP will always continue to exist because Ripple is just a company that provides the platforms, but the platforms will always be there, you know? So nothing is centralized because you can see central banks can have their own monetary and their own technological independence. So this is very important for banks because they don't want any control from an outside company, right? Here you can see Tranglo Connect, guys, Remittance Southeast Asia ODL, the new MoneyGram. Look at that. These are the area that they cover with their cross-border payments using RIPPLENET. Insane, guys, and Tranglo is really growing at a fast pace. So here you can see Tranglo announcing going live with ODL in 25 corridors, diving deep. This could be a key strategy for Ripple in building liquidity for ODL. Very, very interesting. Again, they are doing so good. XRP Rush, NWO spear tip is Russia-Ukraine. Let's take a look. Part 1.
Now, this is not really a Ukraine crisis. This is actually a crisis of the Western elite. Their global unipolar era is coming to an end. They have a patched together appearance of unity among NATO and others, but they're driven by a really pathological fear that their system is finished. And therefore, they have to destroy any alternative system, starting with the Russia-China Western economy. And they're trying to cover it over by crashing the Russian economy, targeting China, and preparing for war. One of the people who understands this is Scott Ritter, who is served in Iraq with the U.S. military. He was a weapons inspector. Ritter raised the relevant question. He said, Putin has often complained that the West doesn't listen when he speaks of issues of, quote, critical importance, unquote, to Russia's national security. Offensive weapons going into Ukraine on the border of Russia. Zelensky talking about a nuclear-armed Ukraine. These are immediate security threats to Russia. And if you really want to get a sense of this, go back and look at the 1962 Cuban Missile Crisis to see how the U.S. reacted when the Soviet Union put nuclear missiles within easy reach of the American mainland. We're doing that now to Russia. That's what NATO membership for Ukraine and Georgia would mean. How do you conduct diplomacy when you kick diplomats out of the country? Yesterday, the U.S. announced that 12 Russian diplomats must leave.
Very interesting, guys. This war is more than it just seems, guys. Is it really the great reset that everyone is talking about? It could be, guys. It could be they are just taking their time, and there could be more behind the curtain than we think there is. Tony Vel stopped by and giving us updates. Hope you are doing well, Tony. Let's take a look, guys, because there's some interesting things. The tech Ripple offers and provides cannot be matched by any other today. Interledger protocol is game changer. This allows trade to be conducting using any currency or asset. This links up the financial world. ILP is like veins to a body, and XRP is its blood. Very well said, guys. We are entering a brand new world. We won't recognize it when the dust settles. Changes are coming. We have to wait for negotiations to complete. In life, we cannot be certain about much, but I've never been more certain of XRP becoming the world digital reserve asset. That would be just so amazing, guys, if it actually turns out to be true that XRP will be the world bridge currency. Its value may seem low today, and that's not because the insiders, banks, institutions don't know about it. The biggest players have purchased their shares via OTC, so you and I don't see their moves. It is the 99% who will come flooding in when the word is released. Now, I really agree. Now, if you just look around, you guys, how many people are actually involved in crypto? And then how many of those people are actually involved in XRP? The number is very little. It is not that much. So you can see that once this news comes out, people will come running for buying XRP, but it will be too high and too late at that time. So here you can see, guys, what we have here is Bank of America exec lifts lid on Ripple partnership. Bank of America's head of global banking has heaped praise on cryptocurrency project Ripple and its ability to integrate with traditional banking services. Now, this is the most important thing, okay? Because they don't see Ripple as a threat. They see it as something that can complete the whole system. It's not about our platform or capabilities. It's about you as a client and the infrastructure you have and the ability for us to integrate, whether that's with platforms and capabilities that we build or partnerships that we have with the likes of Ripple or Swift, she said. Wow, that's just crazy, guys, because they really recognize now that this is not just some cryptocurrency company, right? And we can see that in the partnerships. How on-demand liquidity works with Tranglo. A very interesting thing here. You can see Tranglo. So number one actually is the remittance license. Then we have then we go to Ripple. From Ripple we have remittance licensee, XRP wallet account. Then 3, Tranglo's USD crypto exchange. And then 4 actually goes back to Ripple and then from Tranglo. So it's very interesting. Licensee requests for bulk pre-funding via RippleNet at Tranglo. So they have the liquidity is ready there, you know. They don't need anything else. Know what you hold, XRP, the bridge currency. We can see it everywhere, guys. There's just so many signs and so many people know it now, like in the crypto community. XRP is not limited to traditional currencies. Look at that. XRP can be in the middle of anything, guys. It can do anything. South Africa, Brazil, they are all in talks with Ripple for a CBDC. Another Japanese bank is using Ripple technology. Shiman Bank is now a money tap bank, further building out a powerful financial infrastructure of RippleNet thanks to SBI. Laying the payment rails enables ODL. Again, another bank, more partnerships. Crazy, guys. Here you can see Swift versus Ripple. There is some comparisons to see which one is better. Obviously, Ripple is better. Comparison of the two most popular cross-border payment networks, a battle for the $150 trillion, guys. Imagine. Ripple is the company that created the Interledger protocol, and Swift is using now with more than 1,100 banks, or sorry, I think it's 11,000 actually, or 1,100, I'm not sure. It's a lot, it's a big number that Swift actually has as partnerships, but that will soon change, guys. So here you can see it's not very clear enough here, but there is some differences, and it's most important, guys, is the time that it takes for Ripple to actually transfer the funds. Weaponizing the payments network is likely to be useful only once. As soon as it has been, it will become a matter of urgent national security to develop means of trading without settling at the Fed or messaging via Swift. Just look at that. It's like they don't like Swift, guys. Like these central banks and the Digital Pound Foundation, they don't like Swift. It costs too much money. It's not efficient, and you can clearly see what they're saying. Like they need something else. They don't want to settle with the Fed or Swift. They want something else, and Ripple is providing that platform. Here we have Ripple Crippler saying they're not ready just yet. When they have enough and everyone's ready, it will be a good time. I woke up from a dream today where XRP went from 80 cents to $12 in a matter of 24 hours. Screenshot this if you'd like. Very interesting. Now this can definitely happen, guys, and it means if this happens, it is actually a very good thing people will start to really see. This is when the FOMO comes in, guys. When XRP makes that first move to $10+, this is when everyone will just jump in, guys. And imagine what the price will go from there, because this is only the beginning and it will definitely happen. Thank you very much for watching the video, guys. See you in the next one. Cheers.